Hi, this is the OUKITEL C33 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the icon changer app on this device. So we should first open the Play Store and in the search bar we should enter the X icon changer. And now we should get this first application, so tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app to this open button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that you'll see here all of the available application under your device, which icons you could change. Let's select one from these icons. You could rename it if you want. Here we get library with different folders with the icons. We could use thumb, or also we could use photo from our device gallery, or to take a picture in camera application. So let's select one from the available icons, the contacts one, tap to OK on the right upper corner. Now just wait a couple of seconds, just if you want to skip the ads, so tap to skip video, tap to the 6 icon and tap to add the home screen button. We could change next icon by the same way or to go to the desktop. So we could see here our new contacts icon and this is the default one. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.